Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to find the volume of a rectangular pyramid. So when we look at a rectangular pyramid, first I want to point out, if we look at the base of this pyramid, it is a rectangle. That's why we call this a rectangular pyramid, okay? That's important because there are triangular pyramids or hexagonal pyramids. So right now we're only learning about rectangular pyramids. And the formula for a rectangular pyramid is to do 1/3 length times width times height. And you can see in the picture that right here would be my length and my width, and then my height goes up the middle. Okay, now I hope that you notice that this part of the formula, length times width times height, is the same formula as a rectangular prism. Okay, the only thing that's different is that we have the fraction 1/3 at the beginning. And that's because if I had a pyramid and a rectangular prism, and I filled my pyramid up with water, I would have to pour that pyramid 3 times to completely fill up my rectangular prism. So that's where that 1/3 comes from. Now, for this formula, sometimes students prefer to do that volume equals length times width times height, and then they divide by 3 at the end. So whichever your preference is, both will get you the correct answer. So let's look at a couple of examples. So in this first picture, my length is 10, my width is 8, and my height is 7. So in my formula, I will do 1/3 times length, which is 10, times width, which is 8, times the height. And I will type that in my calculator. And again, you could just go length times width times height, and then divide by 3 at the end. Either way, you will get the answer of approximately 186.6 repeating inches cubed. Remember, we label volume with inches cubed. Now, looking at the second question, my length would be 3, my width would be 4, and again, my height is going to be 7. But because it's a pyramid, I will do 1/3 times length times width times height. And I will get the answer of 28 feet cubed.